everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are doing good. Hope you are resonating with the readings and enjoying the readings. Do leave a comment to let me know on how you feel the readings are. And today I feel we should focus more on the Gayatri mantra. I don't know whenever it is a reading on Monday, I either suggest something with Lord Shiva or something with Lord Ganesha. But today I feel Om Bhur Bhuva Sava has to be done, and maybe 1 or 8 times you have to do that. And if possible, in the morning, if you can keep some fruit when you're chanting this mantra, and after you finish chanting the mantra, you can have this fruit, and you can also give the fruit to your loved ones. Today the color needs to be orange, and you need to also spend some time on redeciding things, maybe because the month is coming to an end and you would have learned some things because of which issues have been popping up, and that would have given you some clarity, and that would have given you how to take the month forward from the upcoming week. So time has come to take certain decisions, take a stand where you need to take a stand, and to take the right decisions at the right time. This is what I feel, but let's see what is in the cards. Okay, the first card is insight. See, that's the reason why I always love doing the cards. I said you need to work on your whatever has happened in the whole month as an advice you need to take, and you need to take the decision. So this again, insight is basically that you should get an insight of a situation and take the decisions accordingly. Sometimes I just wonder how come the cards are so good in predicting and so good in giving the right answers. So let's see what's the next card. Empowerment. So when you get an insight, and when you work on that insight, when you take the right decisions, and when you get a clarity, okay, that this is where I'm going wrong and this is how I need to change things, you will become an empowered person. You will be able to handle your issues more beautifully. You will be able to handle everything in a very beautiful way, and your work, your personal life, your business, everything will be successful with no obstacles at all. So what are you waiting for? Lord Ganesha is saying, sit back, plan your day, think how it has to happen, plan your coming month, and I'm sure it's going to be an empowered day ahead and an empowered upcoming month. Have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead.